Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am a reseller. I do unboxings and I do haul videos and what sold videos. And today I'm doing an unboxing of a ThredUp Name Bramd Handbag box. That's kind of a mouthful actually. But anyway, a Name Bramd Handbag box is a box of bags. You get 4 full-size bags and 1 accessory. And it should be bags that for some reason they could not sell. So there's either something wrong with them or they tried to sell them and they didn't sell, but there's usually something usually something wrong with them, like they couldn't sell them. They couldn't list them or whatever. So, all right, and let's see. It is a bigger box. It's heavy. It's really heavy. I don't know when I got this one. It was a long time ago, but it's from Mechanicsburg, like they kind of all are nowadays. And I love it when I order a box from ThredUp and they actually have, like, this is their writing here, NBHB. That, because when you order these boxes, you don't know until a lot of times you don't know which box it is. So it's nice that they identify it. All right, here we go. Got that. We have got, take this off of here. Here's the first look. Yeah, all right. Okay, let's see what we got here. This one, to me, looks like a Kate Spade. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. You know what? This is this is a different kind of a Kate Spade because it's got, I thought that was a stain, but it's not. It's navy blue and white, and then it's got like these peach stripes. Gosh, you can't see that at all on camera, can you? I'll have to do a picture and put it on here. But okay, there's the outside of it. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is. It's a really pretty bag. I wonder, I'm afraid to look inside. What? Oh. Oh, it's perfect inside. It still has this care tag with it. Wow. Okay, I'm digging this. I'm digging this. Look at this bag. It's in great condition. Comes with a little care tag. I mean, there are some marks on, it's a canvas bag, by the way. And it's got double straps, and then it's also got this strap that it's removable. And look at this, it's really pretty. So, the inside is in great shape. You know, a lot of times you kind of are afraid to look inside because it's hard to clean the inside at first, but look at this. It's clean. So, I really like this bag. I think maybe this mark right here is why I can probably get that clean though. Can you see that? Right down there? Right there. So anyway, yeah, I like that one. And you almost always get a Kate Spade in one of these. So, okay. This might be remember how I said 4 full-size items plus an accessory? This is a Michael Kors wallet. That is the accessory, I am sure. Well, I'm not sure. But that's probably the accessory. It's in pretty good shape. There's just a little bit of marks, like very, very minor. It's got 2 sides, got room on both sides for cards, which is great if you have a lot of cards. And then you have cash and other things. It's clean. It's in good condition. The hardware's a little scratched up. But yeah, pretty happy with that one. All right, what's next? Oh my gosh. Oh. I can't believe this one is it looks amazing. It looks amazing. Look at this thing. It's a Dooney. It's a Dooney. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. This is so nice. I think I know why they didn't want to sell it. Okay, here's the tag. It's got 1 handle. It's got the pretty hardware here from Dooney and Bourke. And the leather, of course, you know how I feel about the leather from Dooney and Bourke. It's just gorgeous. I think the reason it's in here is that there's kind of like water. There's marks from water staining. You can kind of see that in a couple of places. But I think I can probably get that out. And look at the inside of this thing. It's in wonderful condition. That is really rare to see. So this one, I have a feeling someone on my channel will buy this from me, but if not, this one will sell in short order on eBay. Look at this, you got to see the leather. Look at this strap. It's gorgeous. And then look at the leather. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm not keeping it. I can't. But anyway, there's one side. There's the other side. I was going to show you, right there is also some of that water staining, but I think I can get that out of there. So I don't see anything else wrong with this. So I'm pretty happy with this bag so far, or this box. I'm pretty happy. So we still have 2 more to pull out here. Okay, the next one is Michael Kors. Lime green Saffiano leather. And it's almost always the handles, and this is no exception. Michael Kors does not make good handles for their bags. I hate to say it. I love Michael Kors bags, but they just can't make, their handles are no good. Their handles give out before the bag gives out, because the bag is in great condition. Look at this. I mean, it's gorgeous. And then there's the back. It's in, yeah, I mean, in the bottom. I mean, it is Saffiano leather, so Saffiano leather is really durable. And then the inside does have, it looks like some staining in it, but, so that's too bad. But, yeah, the handles and the staining, yeah, it's a bummer, but most of the outside is in good condition, so I'm going to try and clean that one up. We'll see, we'll see. And then the last one is, no big surprise, we got another Kate Spade. And this one is, oh wow, look at, oh my gosh. This is a good one. This bag comes with it. It must be, it's a Kate Spade bag, obviously. That comes, that's the storage bag. This one is pretty close to perfect condition. It's big. It's a larger one. You kind of see the logo there. And it's, is it navy blue? Let's see, I'll put it next to my navy blue. I'm terrible with navy blue and black. I don't know. I don't know what color it is. I can't tell. I think it's navy blue. I think it's navy blue. Okay. Oh yeah, it's blue. Now that I see it on camera, it's blue. It's in amazing condition. I'm trying to figure out what is wrong with it, because there's, I mean, it looks good. This is a huge bag, by the way. Look at this. That's one side. And then you get this divider, and then there's this other side, and it's not dirty. It's in good condition on the inside. This was not a cheap bag. I can't figure out what's wrong with it. It's good. So this is great. This is the best. This is one of the best items I've gotten in these name brand handbag boxes. And this makes me want to order more of them, honestly. When I get, you know, the Michael Kors bag does need a lot of work, but the rest of them are pretty good. And this one is gorgeous. So this, once again, we've got this, and it comes with the Kate Spade dust bag. And then we have got the Michael Kors lime green bag. And we've got the Dooney and Bourke, which is the most gorgeous of all. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, so, so pretty. And the Michael Kors wallet. And then we've got the striped Kate Spade canvas bag. So I must say I really like this. I really like this bag. This whole box was good. So if you are interested in buying any of these items, send me a note to mystuffstyle@gmail.com, and it's $8 for all of the items you want from this video. So thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.